Hey guys, and welcome back to Madeline's Avenue. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, and this tutorial is beginner friendly. The first thing I do is to brush my brows upward with my e.l.f. Cosmetics eyebrow pencil duo. The next thing I do is to line the bottom of my brows. After lining the bottom of my brows, I line the top of my brows, making sure the end of the line meets the end of the bottom line. I then fill my brows by making brush strokes upwards in between the two lines. After filling in my brows, I get my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and put a little bit of it on my concealer brush and use it to clean right underneath and above my brows. After cleaning, I brush my brows upwards to give them that natural finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment on what type of videos you would like to see on my channel. Bye!